Yeah, it just feels like home. Feels really special to be able to do this type of work. My time is split between harvesting flowers, transplanting flowers, doing all sorts of maintenance work on them, and also some light vegetables. And we also have some perennials as well that I maintain. I never would have imagined that I would be growing flowers. I thought it was food forever, you know? But since being on this farm and through the program, I've been able to learn about the orchard and learn about trees, perennials, all sorts of things.
So Ale and I connected as a mentor and apprentice pairing through the DVA program because we had already been working together for a couple years, and he had the opportunity to take on a role that was actually managing. So I had some knowledge gaps to offer to him, especially in terms of field management and crop planning, post-harvest management and things like that as a foundation to start, but then also to be complemented by the myriad of workshops that PASA puts on to complement his learning besides just relying on me as a mentor.
I really enjoy this program for the structure it provides, and I think it's made me a stronger grower. It's a really great program for people who are looking to move away from more traditional style of schooling and into a more hands-on relational experience. So this is cucamelon. This plant is originally from Central America, from Mexico. It's actually referred to as, in English, it's little watermelon or sandita. Sandia is watermelon, and then sandita makes it little. Yeah, and I figured that this was something that could be really exciting and new for our U-pickers to engage with, and so a little bit nervous. Hopefully it starts to put out fruit soon, and yeah, but also excited.
As a production farm, we can only spend so much time, teaching intentionally in addition to just kind of doing the work and harvesting and selling our produce. The DVA program gave us some incentive to spend more time intentionally teaching some of our employees and taking off some of the pressure when we step away to teach to feel like we're losing productivity or something like that. Because the DVA program compensates us for some of this time, you might not have a really comprehensive, well-rounded knowledge to be successful on your own should you start your own business or become a farm manager somewhere else. It helps them make the next jump to being a farm manager or starting their own farm business.